Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix NBA 2K26 game crashing, not launching, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PS5. So this is one of the best way to fix the issue. Just open PS5 screen and then click on PlayStation button, and after that select power and then finally select restart PS5. So after restarting your PS5, now check if the issue is fixed or not. If not, next is to check storage space on console. So make sure your PS5 has enough storage space. For that, open settings, go down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, click on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5 and from here select console storage and then click on delete option. The next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, network, click on settings, then click on setup network and then connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. After this, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to check for game update. You should ensure that the game is updated and not running on outdated version, because developers of the game releases some patches to deal with such kind of issues. So make sure you update your game and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, you first need to open settings, then click on user and accounts, move down to others on the left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that, select the game and click on restore. Now after restoring the licenses, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to delete game's save file PS5. So for that, open settings on your PS5 menu. Now select save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and select NBA 2K26 or your game. After deleting the game's save file, now check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will surely help to fix the problem and you can play the game without any further issue. Next is to change language on console. So first open PS5 settings, then go to system. After that, select language option. Now select your current language. Here change the language to English or any other that you want and then check if the issue is fixed or not. Next solution is to sign in and sign out to PS5. So for that, first open settings, then click on user and accounts. Next, go down and click on other options. After that, tap on sign out option. Once done, wait for some time and again log into the PS5 account and check if the error is fixed or not. Next is to install software updates on PS5. So for that, open PS5 settings, then select system. Now go to system software. Now system software update and settings. Next, select update system software if any update is available and finally select update option using internet. So after installing the software updates on PS5, now check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to reset your console settings. For that, open settings on your PS5, then move to system, then select reset options under system software. After that, select reset default settings and finally select restore option. So this will restore your console settings. After that, check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to reinstall the game. So first you need to highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. After that, select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and then install the game once again to check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, last solution is to take help from a support team. So for that, if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. The link I have provided in the description. Just open it and go through it and tell them everything in details about the issue you are coming across. Hopefully they will try to resolve the problem from their end and you can further play the game without any issue. So these are few suggested solutions to fix NBA 2K26 game crashing, not launching or other issues on PS5. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.